Hey guys, welcome to the video. Got the crew here. We're on our way to SEMA 2024. Stay tuned.
Music bed.
Alright guys, we made it to SEMA. We're in front of the Optima booth here. We're gonna be waiting here to get a ride along one of their drift cars, I think. So pretty cool. I think this is the bronze slot. So, but anyways, pretty cool. We're gonna wait, see what car we ride in, and we'll film from in there. We're here at the Optima area. We're waiting for the ride along. So we got our number, wristband. Thank you to Optima for doing this. It's awesome. Alright, we're out here at the Ford Performance booth. Just finish up today this nice F100 Coyote swap with the blower. Nice Ford Performance blower. It's all carbon fiber. This thing is beautiful.
The exhaust in the drive shaft.
Nice exhaust.
You can do everything.
Frame. I mean,
Show the roof.
absolutely beautiful truck. So we're gonna be looking at other stuff here at the Ford Performance booth, but that's gonna be it for the first day. We'll see what we can do for tomorrow. We'll see you next time.